Hello. Where's my pizza at?
Look at the bucket. That's in the bucket. I appeared the pizza.
Ew. That's nasty. I don't want that cold pizza.
Oh no.
I'm not giving you any money.
Oh no. Oh no. Pizza.
Another one? Okay. Mmm. Good. Here's your money. There you go.
Bye.
Hey! I'm an upset customer. You give me back my money right now.
Okay. Oh no, money.
Thank you. I'm gonna complain about you.
Bye.
Did you hear me? I'm gonna complain about you.
Bye.
Hey! I said I'm gonna complain about you to your boss. Are you listening to me?